Welcome everybody. Let's get right to it. Friday hunt. How everybody doing? Good morning. So we are live for Friday hunt. Welcome Goku, John Friedman, Roberto, Emily, everybody in the house. Dave, welcome. Workhorse, yes, many of you ask about Workhorse. Nicola finally came through. Yes, finally, exactly. We have Nicola trade from yesterday still open. And pre-market is 22%. We be ready to take profit because we might have a bit of pullback. So we expect a bit of pullback for Nicola. Welcome everybody. Nicola have a bit of resistance here. We might have a bit of pullback. We'll see if we hold on the market open. We have a hold up. Yeah, we got some entry here. We'll see if we hold over the $2.64. Exactly, Goku. Hit the like button on the way and show some love. Show some love to our Hunter channel. We got some question here from our elite hunter on Discord. Some of you ask about Palantir. So Palantir kind of doing all right because we're still holding the support over the 1667. We'll see if we're gonna have a continuation for Palantir when the market open. We got Amazon, Unity. Yes, I'm watching Unity for a continuation here. We'll see if we have a breakout. Even for Amazon. Plug looking good. Meta got shorted. Nvidia doing really surprisingly good because we're still holding this ascending channel. We might have the 500. We might have the 500, everyone. DKNG, we're still holding this trade. No, we closed it, I think, yesterday. Yes, we closed it. So we just have Nicola. We'll see what's gonna happen. So we got some stocks, not unicorn, but normal stocks to hunt on the market open. We got Google, maybe we hunt Google, but yeah, I'm watching Unity instead. Unity for a break, a continuation. We might have a continuation for today for Unity if we broke the 47.74. This is a lucky number, 4774. Then we got Amazon as well. We might have a continuation. Yesterday we had almost 3%, and today we might have another 2% after we break this level. We'll see. Plug, we might have a continuation for today. Let me just put a support here. Yeah, Plug looking good. So we have 3 stocks we might hunt. Unity, Plug, and Amazon. 3 of them looking interesting on the market open. And the other one, we got Nicola. Yes, Nikola getting rejected. Look, we might have a sell-off and the market open. I will watch for opening a short position actually. If we broke this level, we might break it now because we got rejected around the 2.79. Hopefully we hold, and when the market open we could actually sell. We'll see if we hold here. Otherwise we're gonna have a flush for Nikola down around the 2.23. Yeah, we're gonna have a huge flush if we did this. We got other unicorn we might hunt. PRFX. We got ARBB, and we got this one EFSH and AMD. Not good, this one. This is yeah, we kind of broke the first support for my opinion here. Now we might have a dip around this level. Huge dip. Let's see if we have a support. This one I'm gonna leave, man. It's kind of risky. I'll leave it. Coinbase pulling back, Mara pulling back, right pulling back, because crypto is pulling back. Yeah, crypto's pulling back. Bitcoin have a fake out yesterday. That's why we updated the level, the resistance. Ethereum the same, got rejected around the 2000. So this is good reaction. We have 2000 price target hit for this one. Swing trade. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. Luis. Usually Luis always hold. This is a surprise that Luis sold Nikola. Anyway, so we watching. We have a pullback for the market, for the open. Yeah, we have a pullback. Except for plug. I don't know what's going on with plug because we have some news, I think. So we have biotech deal for Nikola. Yes. So Nikola entered a deal to sell 50 EVs to biotech and purchase low carbon hydrogen from the firm. We got short squeeze, we got some news finally. You see, we need a catalyst, we need a news. Always, any stock need a news. For plug, we have plug power pushes higher as Netherlands upgrade with momentum buildings. We got something. Yes, Netherlands, man, the land of weed. Yes. So plug went higher because we got some great news. That's why we're watching plug for today. Plug coming from the depths. Yeah, coming from the depths. We'll see if we hold over to the 12.75. This is the resistance. We might go 5%. Okay, so we got plug looking interesting play here. Yeah, Nikola getting weaker, guys. We might have a flush before the market open. Guys, plus the like button on the way in. We're watching Nikola closely. If we broke this level, the shorts won the game. Hopefully we don't have this reaction before the market open. We might have a flush. A flush is waited to be happened for Nikola. Hopefully we don't see this because we're gonna lose the gain that we did in pre-market. And we're gonna give almost 13 or 14%. Now it's 19%. So we might have a huge dip, huge. I'm saying this just as a reminder. As a reminder for this volatile play. So I will put Unity, I will put plug and AMZN for potential trade as well. I put them here. So I'll put plug, Amazon, and Unity. So for Riot and the other is overextended now, so I'm not touching them because Bitcoin is kind of indecision phase now. And yeah, I will watch those stocks on the open. You know what I'm gonna do? We have trade still open for Nikola. This is the third trade because we opened two, we closed them, and we open another one around the $2. So now I'll put another trade for Unity and plug and Amazon. Those low risk trade, okay? We have high risk trade for Nikola, low risk trade for those three stocks. If your risk tolerance is really not high, you can choose those three stocks. However, those three stocks, don't imagine like 10% or higher. For plug maybe, but for Amazon we expect just 2%. For Unity 5, top 10. For plug we could actually make 10 or even more. So yeah, I would put it like this: plug more gain, Unity more gain, lesser gain for Amazon. Amazon is less risky, Unity is more risky than Amazon, and plug is more riskier than Unity. And Nikola is the riskier here on the list. So we have 4, and the top right or the far right is less risky, and the top or the far left is the riskier trade. That's why you see here Nikola, then plug is more riskier, less riskier than Nikola, and of course Unity than Amazon. So this is make it easier for you guys to know which trade you should choose. And of course, don't follow me blindly. I'm not a financial advisor. This is the most important thing to note. And remember that our live streaming is a bit delayed, almost 10 seconds. So Nikola is on the verge of turning point. Plug, we wish if we have a bit of pullback for entry. Amazon looking okay, Unity looking okay for entry if we hold here. Okay, so some of you said AMC will have a good day. Yes, we have something. Volume is picking up for AMC. Look, we might have a breakout for AMC today. Yes, AMC looking good for today. Let's turn our head to AMC, the big giant coming from the sleep. So we might have a good day for this one. AMC, guys, we might have a good trade once we break this level. 10% and maybe 30% for today. Really good trade if we catch this one. 30% would be really good. And yeah, we might have the 7, the 8. So we're gonna take profit on the way and be really wise trading this high volatile stock. So let me just see if we have near support here. Yeah, maybe here we have big buyer. Okay, 430. This is the support. Let me just check how much we risk here. 6%, and the gain, if we pumped, we're gonna get 12%. So risk to reward ratio is 2 to 1. Okay, not bad. I will put Amazon or AMC on the list. Lunar, let me just check Lunar if we have an entry for Lunar for today. Nope, not that good. We have a fake out, so the trend is really bad, man. No, thank you. It's risky, guys. Lunar is risky because we have a fake out, mini fake out. Dave, RMTI. Let's check RMTI. We got just 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. We broke the support. Yeah, remember that we discussed the $4.90. We said the support. Now we breaking it and going for the other support here, $3.80. Let me just check if we have other stronger support here. Because we broke the first support, you see, we have unusual activity here. Okay, let's see. We have the $3.17. Yeah, here we should have a reversal, okay, $3.17. Otherwise, we continue this flush, so watch out. We need to have a reversal. Resistance still around the $6.93, hidden seller. Profit taken still around the $9.46. First support, we broke it. You see, once we broke the $4 or around the $5, we have a bit of a huge red candle. Turning point for NKLA. When the market open, guys, is really clear for me right now. For NKLA is clear, guys. Either continuation pump or short. Straightforward. We have just one level to hold. AMC, we have a volume picking up. I will wait for continuation. Let me just check here. Not convinced yet. No, still the volume is still light, guys. AMC is still not 100%, so put it there. So yesterday we did update for our hunters. Hopefully you saw our update for NKLA and Coin, Dogecoin, mini update after we finish our live streaming, because we always do a special update for our hunters here, and we discussed the entry for NKLA. We said the breakout around the 2, support $1.78, profit taken $2.34, and almost the $2.89 or the $3. And we went around the second profit taken, see here, $2.78, and here we said $2.89. So after we did this update, we entered, and it was a risky trade, of course. So we entered this trade and we're already 9% on this one, and pre-market is almost 20%. So I'm gonna take almost 30% when the market open. I'm gonna close this trade with 30%, and I will re-enter once again. However, I will exit once we broke this level. If we broke this level, I'm gonna exit. Okay, $2.63. If we didn't break it, I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna do trailing stop instead. If we broke it, I'm gonna exit because we're gonna have a flush, and we'll buy here instead. Why I'm holding, why I have to face this loss, almost 12%. I'm gonna retain the gain. If we hold, we're gonna have a trailing stop. What's mean trailing stop? Is mean you stay in a trade and just go higher. Break this level, go higher. You don't close it. You put stop loss higher. Boom, pump, go higher with the trade. Go higher with the trade. Go higher with the trade. Until forever, until the price continue to go higher, so you don't have to close the trade. However, I have a doubt that the price actually to hold here. We might have a huge sell-off. You see here, we have a huge fight before the market open. We have just 8 minutes. So I'm watching this, I'm watching plug. I might close NKLA and enter for plug instead, because plug looking good. Plug looking good right now and strong. 7% yesterday, 7% now. So we might have a continuation. Unity and Amazon getting weaker before the market open. AMC looking good. We got just 8 minutes, guys. CVNA. Someone said CVNA. Dave, HAL. Horia, you are welcome. Guys, press the like button and the way in order to kick the algorithm, YouTube algorithm in the stomach, and make our live streaming more visible to other hunters. That's why we always say plus the like button. It's not ego issue, you know. I'm not have an ego and want more likes, and you know, I want you to like me. No, this is for the YouTube algorithm. If you don't want to don't like, don't do anything. But the algorithm, want likes, you know, it's like the fuel, it's like the gasoline. So if you want or like our live streaming, just put fuel on it, and the fuel is the likes. That's why we say like the video, and even better if you share our video to friends and family. If you know someone struggling trading or want to learn to trade, just press the share button. It's really simple, and just send it on Facebook and whatever. I always do this. Sharing is caring, man. If you like video or learn something, you just share it with the other people. Anyway, so our live streaming each day, as we said, around the 3 p.m. CET here on our YouTube. And guess what? Guess what? We have a special live streaming here on our Patreon, because we always do special live streaming and power hour before market close. Here on our Discord, we put the link just for the notification, and our Patreon. So if you are on our Patreon, you can actually watch or have access to this exclusive power hour live streaming to discuss all your question, all the trade that we're gonna hunt for the next week, crypto play, whatever. We're gonna discuss them before the market close. Preparation, always prepare for the next for the next day and the next week. So if you want to join us, we have, I think, just one spot, because we are 99 members right now, and we missing just one hunter to make it 100 members. So we have just one place left on the disciplined hunter. Who's the lucky one who snatched the last place on the disciplined hunter? After that, we have the king level. Of course, we have just 4 places left for the king, and just 2 places left for the elite hunter. So just take your places and let's hunt together today on the live streaming. And of course, not just live streaming, we do pre-market update, chart analysis after we finish our live streaming here on the swing trade, day trade. So you prepare for mini trade. Look, we did last time Dogecoin, we did coin, we did Bitcoin. Nikola, this was a really great trade that we're still holding right now before the market open, and we gonna take the profit when the market open, if we don't break the support, of course, because right now 22% in pre-market, and yesterday we entered around the $2 break, the resistance, as we said in our Discord here. For our hunter, the $2.02 we said is the breakout, and we entered around the breakout exactly after the breakout $2.04, and right now the market is about to open. So let's get ready to hunt for Nikola, Plug, and the other stocks, and maybe AMC. So what you think, guys? Are we gonna have a breakout for Nikola right now? Because it's about to break once again. See with me. We held perfectly over the $2.63. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, and what's gonna be? Plus the like button, show some love, and let's get right to it and see what's gonna happen. LG, hello hunters, welcome brother. DMAQ is pumping. DAMQ. DMA. Okay, let me just see this very quick because we just have 1 minute. So we can actually, no, this is dumping down, man. Not good. Anyway, so we watching Nikola, we watching Plug, we watching Amazon on the break for today. Unity, yes, we might have a break. So yeah, let's get right to it, guys, and see what's gonna happen for the market for today. Who's excited? Who's excited? Joe Friedman. Okay, 1 minute. Nikola is about to break. As we said, we're still holding Nikola for today. We keep holding it because it's about to break. If we broke, it would be good. If we didn't, we're gonna close it if the price didn't hold the $2.63. Simple as possible. Okay, we got SST. We might have a reversal here for this one. Nikola, what's going on? Yeah, I think I'm gonna close it here. Yeah, I'm gonna close it, guys. I'm gonna close it with 26%, 26% gain, 5,000 on this trade. So I'm closing a Nikola trade right now because it's flushing. Okay, perfect. We exited. This one have a good earnings, but is going down. I don't know what's going on with this one. This is abnormal. We watched this one yesterday for a hunt. Anyway, Nikola, I think we're gonna flush. Plug is going down. Amazon, yes, we might have a breakout. Amazon looking good. I'm gonna buy Amazon because looking good. Okay. What's going on with this one? We don't have any. Yeah, this one's game over. Unity, let's see Unity and Amazon. Maybe we're gonna have a breakout now. Yeah, still testing. Plug, yes, nice plug. We might have an entry here. NKLA is really hard, man, here. We already took 26% on this trade, so we're not complaining. SST, we might have a flush because yeah, after the earnings it wasn't good. It wasn't good. Okay, we have Unity is kind of pumping. Okay, Amazon doing all right. Okay, Amazon doing all right here. Already entered for Amazon. We'll see if we have a continuation. Unity, maybe we have an entry for Unity as well. If we broke here, we have an entry, good entry for Unity. Okay, let's see. Let's see again. Yes, looking good here. Plug, maybe we enter as well. Let me just check plug. NKLA, whoa, we got bought back. This is unusual. Okay, Amazon, we might have a continuation toward the 137. This would be good for Amazon. Plug, NKLA still fighting. Unity, yes, we have a stop loss here around this 47. If we held, okay, otherwise I'm gonna close the trade. Okay. Come on. What's going on here, man? Okay. Okay, we wait for Unity continuation here. NKLA, we might have a huge pump here. If we pumped from the 2.79. Oh man, NKLA is crazy today. We have someone bought big time here. We got fake out. Yeah, the price is bought back. Unusual. Huge wick here for Nikola. Plug, I'll put it there. Unity. Okay, waiting for Unity to go to the 49.72. Support is the 47. As long as we hold the 47 is good. Amazon as well. Aha, Nikola is broke out. And now I feel a bit of FOMO for re-entry once again. Okay, maybe I'll enter once again for Nikola. But I'll put tight stop loss for Nikola. Yeah, this stock is mean business. This is really unusual. I'm telling you guys. I expected the price to go down, but we have another pump. Unusual. And Unity, we have not Unity here, but dislocation. What's going on? We have a wick here, the price went down. Still struggling to pump. Amazon looking better. Amazon looking more safe. Unity got shorted. Oh, brother. I really hate this kind of breakout, you know. It's really windy today, man. I'm trying to keep the window open, but it shuts crazy by itself. I can't trade without the window open, you know, because it's really hot here. It's getting hot in here. Look at this, man. We might have a breakout here and go down, so I would be extremely careful. We might have a fake out. Okay, a test is good. Amazon continue to go higher. Yeah, Amazon looking really good here. Amazon look pretty nice. I'm waiting for Unity to have at least 4% here. Yes, the volume is a bit light on Unity. See with me, guys, we have a breakout, but I think we might have a fake out here. The price is kind of consolidating on the breakout. I will give it a bit of time. If we broke below this breakout, I'm gonna close the trade because it's risky. $2.79. I don't like the 1 minute. I don't like this chart, man, for Unity. We have kind of here a huge rejection. Now at retest once again. Now or never for Unity for a continuation. Yes, Nikola going to the moon today. Yeah. We did almost 4 trade for Nikola. AMC PFRX is pumping. This one is game over. Coinbase maybe. This one's game over. Mara Riot is pumping once again for today. Amazon Unity. Okay, man. Let me just check the market. MULN is pumping from the bottom. We have a breakout for MULN from below. Watch out. Breakout for MULN. We might have a break and continuation for MULN here around the 1695. This would be good if we have this 10% now. Okay, it's gonna be MULN is moving. MULN is moving, and Nikola is still trying to hold over this breakout. We have a profit taken out on the $3.24. Unity, unity, unity. Let's go, unity. We need to kick over the 47.76. 47.76 to have an action. Aha, Nicola, not good, not good. What's going on? I'm gonna break here. Okay, maybe I'm gonna close it. Yeah, I'm gonna close it, guys. Watch out. This is not good at all. No, 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 no. Fake out. I'm gonna close it. Close it with small loss. Fake out, guys. Fake out. Not good. I was like not confident about this breakout because this is not usual. We broke with light volume. Price kind of doesn't have the strength to continue. Let's check Unity. We have a test here around the 47.76. We need to break, man. Now or never for Unity. Now or never. We have the 49.72. If we have the $50, man, this would be a good day for us. $50 for Unity would be good. Plug. We're still holding over the support. Amazon looking good. We have a breakout from the 134. Let's see if we hold and go toward the 137. Nicola still holding. We don't have a flush yet. We don't have a flush yet. Okay, so today the market is not generous like yesterday. It's not generous yet. For Coinbase, maybe. RFX started to pump, guys. This one we might have a squeeze for this one. AMC is not ready, I'm telling you. PFRX maybe today. PFRX, guys. Plug. Unity got shorted as well. Game over, I think, man. You see what's happened here? We have a test and the price got rejected. Game over, I think. Yeah, game over. Oh, brother. Why you do this to me? Why? 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 Yeah, I got rejected, man. Sneaky bastards. Okay. Yeah. Nvidia going to the moon. New high. Plug. Whoa, plug is reversing from the bottom. Nice. Palantir. Okay, we might have a reversal now for the market. SoFi is about to break, guys. SoFi is about to break an important level around the $2.49. So, SoFi looking interesting. CVNA maybe. But SoFi. Yeah, Unity started to move. Unity started to move once again. What a roller coaster ride, man. SoFi, oh, but SoFi here, maybe we traded. Yeah, we have SoFi, man. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Still holding for Nikola. Okay, I'm not trading it right now. So I'm watching SoFi for a break. Yes, break maybe now. For SoFi, man, we might have a break. We might have a breakout now. Unity, are we ready or not? Come on, man, look at this. Come on, man. We need to have a kick here. Do it. Unity, do it. Do it. We need a kick. We need 1 million worth of volume to kick. I really hate what's going on with Nikola, man. Too much mixed signals here. First, we exited from yesterday position when we have this wick, a fake out. Then we entered on this breakout. The price went down, broke. We exited with small loss. So today we have many fake out, man, from bottom here and from above. So I'm not entering right now. I'm not getting in once again. I don't trust it right now. So I'm just watching and see. I could enter once again, of course, and see if we broke once again the $2.79 for exit. But I will just leave it. There's a big seller here, man. I'm telling you, 47.76. We broke last time, but he's still adding. This guy, man, or girl, or I don't know, or a company, whatever. There's a big seller here. If we broke it, we're gonna have a continuation for Unity. 47.76. Yeah, big seller, still adding. Oh man, just great. Amazon still holding. SoFi still testing. Plug, yes, plug, nice reversal, man. Let's see if we entered here, how much we lose. 4%, now 7%. Okay, let's see if we have an entry here. We're willing to lose 4% on this trade. Man, you know what? It's really annoying, man, today. The wind, it's too windy here in France. Nicolas is preparing for something big with Unity as well. Just crazy, man, just really crazy here. I don't like it if we broke the 47. Not good, brother. Amazon still holding this one. SoFi plug. SoFi looking good. Oh brother, oh brother, great, what's going on here? Unity, yes, I think we're gonna flush down for Unity. Game over. Yeah, game over, brother. If we broke the 47 now, is not good. The short, the bastard, is still here. I'm telling you, he's not leaving. 47.76. Price is still accumulating, still struggling. Amazon looking better. Nikola not good. And SoFi maybe. Plug maybe. But Unity, man. If we broke here, game over. 5 minutes, we didn't break. Yeah, the market is kind of light on volume today. It's not usual. We don't have a continuation like yesterday. Yeah, this one is broken, game on toward the 14. BRFX, yeah, it's pumping like crazy. And this one is broke, yeah, game over. Game over, brother. Let's see if we have a wick here. Otherwise, I'm gonna close the trade. For Unity, we don't have a breakout, man. On the 5 minutes, we didn't have a breakout. We have a fake out on 1 minute. We'll see if we hold here. This is the last test, or the last testament. BRFX held on the 1111 percentage wise. Nikola not good at all right now. Unity the same, just testing the bottom support. Coinbase, MULN pulled back. Okay, we have a pullback market, man. I think we're gonna have a huge pullback for today because it's a Friday. Nikola is pulling back, yes. So it's not wise to enter here. Not wise. We have a bit of weakness. Unity is about to do crazy thing here. Yes, not good, man. Not good, not good. Playing with the devil. Playing with the devil, man, is breaking, of course. Breaking the last support or the first support or weakness. Still testing. I don't like mini test, man. If we tested, we should actually have a hidden seller, a buyer, to bring us up. We didn't have this reaction yet. Still watching. 16 seconds for this red candle to hold over the 47. Really interesting what's gonna happen here. Nikola, yeah, dropping down. Time to short. Huge flush now. Time to flush for Nikola. And this one as well. We have, yeah, game over. I'm telling you, this one I'm gonna close it right now without even watching. Game over. I'm gonna close it. Bad trade. So let me just check. Yeah, Unity broke the support. We entered around this fake out. Price was good, man. The smaller picture was really good for a continuation. Price gave up. We don't actually held, you see? Give up really easily. Now flushing down. We're gonna have red day for Unity, at least around this level, 45. And the other stock that we watching is Amazon. Yeah, so Amazon maybe as well will give up. So I'm gonna close it breaking even. Okay, I'm not risking anything here. And let me just, because the market is weak, man. That's why I'm closing. Even the strongest stock, Nikola, is flushing down. So there's a huge short coming. So I'm closing Amazon. So I will check SoFi if we're gonna close it or not. We'll see if we're gonna close this trade as well, because we got a huge resistance here. So I'm watch if we're gonna hold it or not. I'll give it some time here around the 9.18. Otherwise, we'll close this trade as well. Amazon, yeah, breaking here. Still holding kind of, but yeah, slow. Okay, Nikola, we gonna have a flush. Still holding because there's some buyer bot here. We need a flush here around the 2.25 for a reversal. The RFX went down now, halted down. So we have a resistance here and support there. Perfect. This is it. Coinbase is still pumping this crazy stock, man. Yeah, plug. Let's see Nikola. Yeah, Nikola should flush now. That's why we exited with this stock. Yeah, man, the market is bearish, man. Watch out. Yeah, today sucks, man. WKHS. WKHS. Yeah, today is really big suck day. Really sucks. Workhorse. Let's see if we're gonna load up on this one. Yeah, looking kind of preparing for a huge pump. Yeah, I will keep this one here. Crypto stocks looking good for today. Yeah, crypto stocks looking good. $20 around this level. Yeah, we gonna get a breakout or not. Mara looking interesting. PFRX, watch out, we have halting down, I think. Yeah, BFRX got halted down. Maybe I will enter if we went here above the 9 for a reversal. Okay, so we have a red day, man, for mini stocks. The good thing that we took profit on Nikola before this reversal. Yeah, we exited from this trade, Nikola. We see if we have an entry for SoFi. Maybe we have a SoFi play. Really tricky play. Yeah, today is red, man. Look, we have big red day for many stocks, so it's not wise to trade any stock or going long on any stock for today. The idea is to wait. See, we have a pullback even for the strongest stocks here, Coinbase. So the only one is pumping is BRFX. So we got plug here, got rejected. Let me just check if we have, yeah, plug is about to break this level, 1275. Because the market is red, any stock is in green, the short seller shorted. Simple as that. It's kind of a code or AI that shorts the whole market at the same time in one button. You see what's happened here? Yes. One AI that control all the markets. We have some strange thing, man. It's kind of whatever the stock even breaking a nice level, the price will pump down because we have an AI still holding the market. Okay, Amazon's kind of breaking now and holding. Amazon's kind of holding. Yeah, it's kind of holding here. Okay. Let's play with Amazon because it's still looking good. AMZN. What? I don't have Amazon. Are you kidding me? Yeah, the internet is lagging here. Whoa. AMD kind of have a huge pump. Yes, AMD have a huge pump. Nice. Finally. With Nvidia. Yeah, AMD looking good. AMD looking good for a continuation because we have a breakout. Okay, let me just open a trade for AMD here. Okay. Yeah, semiconductors looking good. Semiconductors looking good, guys. AMD just broke the support or resistance. So as long as we hold here, we might have a continuation for AMD to go to the moon. We'll see. AMC or AMD, we might have a new level, at least 9%, and here 34% for AMD. Started to reverse. Okay. AMD, I'm watching AMD. We have a trade open for AMD. Watch out. You know what? I'm gonna add some more. Okay. Perfect. AMD, we have a support around the 117. Semiconductors looking crazy good because of NVIDIA. The reason, because of NVIDIA going crazy toward the 500. And guess what? The investors looking for the other undervalued semiconductor stocks and pumping it as well. We have NVIDIA or AMD still undervalued, guys, from my opinion, below the 133 and started to reverse. So now it's time for AMD to pump toward the 162. And if we went there, we might have a really huge day, almost 162%. And guess what? We have earning for AMD after 18 days. So we might have a huge continuation for AMD in coming weeks. So that's why I opened position right now. This is a swing trade. This is a swing trade for AMD. Anyway, let's go back to Nikola. Nikola is down to the center of Earth. It's going back to the center of Earth. Nikola, guys, someone said what we do with Nikola. I close my trade, man. I'm not trading any more Nikola because it's really risky. We might have an entry right now over the $2.25. Otherwise, if we broke this level, it's mean continuation down below the $2. And we might have a flush down. So, guys, as we said, we already took profit. Now is risky for Nikola to buy after this huge selling pressure. So, we update our resistance around the $2.94 where we got shorted. Next time we might have the 4, but yeah, we got shorted here, so I'm not entering anymore after we break the $3. So now we have the 225 as a support. Huge flush, man, huge flush. SoFi, yes, still holding, plug, still holding the support. PFRX, on the other hand, yes, reverse from our support, the $9.18. Yeah, the $9.18. And Unity is yeah, first broke the support and now it's kind of accumulation, so I don't trust this trade anymore right now, so I'm not entering. Workhorse, not for today. So yeah, we have just Nikola maybe for a reversal trade, and PFRX, yeah, we might hunt this one later. PFRX, let me just check Amazon once again. Wow, Amazon reversed, nice. Yeah, Amazon reversed. Perfect reversal. Yes, Amazon's still looking good, guys. Amazon's still looking good here. How everybody doing? Golden phase, why you get out? Man, why you get in around the $2.95? We already exited. We said it's a fake out. We already exited from this trade, man. Jaywalk, how the you know what to buy? Great question. How to watch what stock to buy? Of course, always we watch the stock that have potential to reverse from the bottom or break from the resistance. That's why we're gonna do a short analysis update later on for mini swings like Amazon mini swing here. You see, we got question. So GOEV. Okay, sorry, brother Tariq, I didn't see your question because you don't have a star near your name. Like it's really easy to spot our hunters when I see the star. Anyway, sorry, Tariq. So GOEV. I will switch higher level and pitch on this August. Okay, great, brother. Great, brother. Perfect, because Tarek is on the hunter level, yes. So you can actually upgrade guys here on our Patreon, and you can downgrade whatever you want, you know. So you don't have to think if you don't trade the next day, next month, what you're gonna do. In Patreon, you can actually even pause your trade or your subscription on Patreon. So it's really flexible for the people who never actually join our hunter channel. So. So this is a great question from our hunter here. GOEV, we got a question. Wow, GOEV is pumping 27%. What's going on with this stock? Wow, so this one we might have a huge kick, and I think the target is the $1 for this one. Prices want to go toward the $1, but we got some resistance coming out there. Yeah, it's kind of tricky, this play, because we have many bag holders, many resistance. So yeah, we got some resistance coming up around the 73.84, profit taken. $1 is the target, and yeah, support. If we got rejected, man, and I really prefer to hold over the 65. Yeah, GOEV looking really nice, guys. GOEV looking pretty nice. If we held the 65, would be a good trade. PFRX is reversing again. Wow, what a roller coaster ride for this one. Nicola, we got resistant. Let me just check if we have a resistant here. We might have a test here. This will be a really interesting test. Okay, we got some level here. This will confirm something, because if we get rejected here, we're gonna go down. The top squeeze level is the $2.95, the breakout zone. Amazon looking nice. PRFX. SoFi, guys, plus the like button on the way in. Don't forget, plus the like button on the way in. Okay. Yeah, Amazon, good. Right, got shorted. plug still holding, so phi. So yeah, we got top gainers, so and the top reversal is NKLA and FRX. You see what's happened here, started to reverse, watch out. Seller is still there and still adding around the $2.65. See what's happened here? Here, huge seller. Huge seller. Good morning. Here is a good afternoon. GOEV, whoa, is about to break. Watch out. This is the support. One of our hunter asked about this in our Discord. Remember, guys, you can have the opportunity to ask me at any time. Not any time, but in pre-market, if you are one of our hunters. So he asked about GOEV, about price action, and we suggest that there's a resistance coming up. Let's check the top gainer list today. We got Tesla, AMD. Whoa, AMD. As we said, guys, AMD, we entered with a huge position for AMD because, as we said, NVIDIA is the top gainer, or we have the 500 target. So semiconductors are on the spotlight, and guess what? AMD is kind of, for my opinion, is undervalued, and we have just 18 days left on the earnings. And guess what? We have huge selling pressure here. So someone bought around this breakout. I was watching this breakout since 21 of June. Imagine, it's almost 1 month. We have accumulation, and now we have a breakout, a huge breakout. So this one is swing trade. We're gonna do update for the other profit taking because we have the 133 and we have many other profit taking. We're gonna do the update here later after we finish our live streaming, because we already did Amazon, and Amazon is kicking toward the second profit taking. And this trade that we did for Amazon was, guess what? Yeah, yesterday, and Amazon doing all right. Okay, so what's we gonna have here? PFRX, man, this one is still kicking. We have a test for a resistance. Oh man, if we broke the 1215, we might have an entry again for this stock. This one is high volatile, highly risky. Drug as well is pumping because we have reverse split, so I don't suggest anybody trading this one. Is a fake percentage. 400% is just reverse split because we have 1 to 5. But the top gainer, the real top gainer, 100% now in the market is a PFRX, pharmaceutical company, I think. Then we have EDTX. Whoa, we have double top here, and the price got rejected. Watch out, we have a huge gainer here, huge gainer. EDTX, whoa, this one mean business. EDTX, we might have a huge action for this one later if we held here. Yeah, today will be a crazy day, man. EVTV, ARBP, AEHR. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I bought EDTX and I bought what else? Okay, I just put EDTX. This one for later hunt before Yeah, I will put it for a later hunt, of course. ADTX, yeah, for a later hunt. I put a tab here to check it check it later. GOAV, yeah, looking good. Okay, plug is still looking good because we're still holding the 1275. As we said, if we broke this level, I'm gonna close the trade, but I'm still have this trade open. We are down almost 2.50 or almost 3% down. I'm holding it. The reason that I'm holding it because we're still holding over this support 1275. And the decision that I made before even entering the trade is telling myself if the price is holding here, I will hold, otherwise closing the trade with a loss. Let's make it easier to make decisions. Okay, so we have other support actually, 46.30 for Unity, but I'm not trading it anymore until we have 5-minute candle close here, otherwise I'm not convinced. EDTX, yeah, got shorted, double top. Man, I don't trust this one yet because it's big trouble. Light volume, yes, just 500k. I'm gonna take it from the list. I don't feel comfortable trading this one. Again, comfort is not good. I'm trying to be not comfortable. Some say is like, are you crazy running in Sunday morning? You doing cardio on Sunday morning? And I tell my friend, man, this is what I like. I meditate when I'm running. I'm thinking about my business, about life, about like deeper stuff, because the only way that I can be with myself without distraction from cell phone, social media, anything, is running, you know, because when you run, you can, it's really hard because it's kind of, your brain is kind of the chip, and the thought is kind of hurricane, you know. So if you don't guide the chip right, the ship will actually be stranded and can actually be crushed. So you have to be the captain in order to take the ship and direct it to the single goal. And here for this analogy is guide my thought, my brain, while I'm running, to think about things to improve, things to think about, to solve problems that I have in my business, maybe a new idea to trade. So yeah, running make me actually think and meditate. Is because I don't like meditate because I can't stay still, you know. I'm hyperactive guy, and I think everybody have their way of doing things, you know. So if meditate is really good for you, do it. For me, it doesn't work, so I use running as a meditation. It's really hard because it's good to escape from the pain, physical pain, and go and mentally to think about something else. And I think this is the secret that made me finish the marathon in Paris, by doing this trick. No music, nothing, and I just thinking about stuff, 3 hours and 40 minutes gone like this. And yeah, I felt pain, but by thinking about something outside or outside your body, you don't feel anything anymore. Yeah, meditation is not thinking, I know. That's why meditation is the opposite, is not thinking about anything. But yeah, for me it's kind of really hard to not think about things. It's like I want to do something, not just doing nothing. Because in my pain, I like to do stuff. And I'm kind of curious guy. I always touch things, I do stuff. But yeah, meditation is really important to guide your thought. So yeah, meditation is good to do it in order to have the ability to guide your thought in single goal. This is really important. Yeah, I just discovered this lately while reading a book. It's called The Alchemist. Really good story about a guy who wants to travel the world. Roberto, what time is it on your place? What time is it? Man, if there is a drug that make me never sleep, I will take it, Because I calculated, someone actually did this. We sleep almost half of our waking life, It's actually almost quarter of our life is gone by sleeping. So if there is a chance of not sleeping a lot at all, we can actually use this. But some people like sleeping. PFRX is pumping, guys. Yeah, we broke from the 12.15 going toward the 14.16. NKLA today is red, but we might have an entry still. PFRX pumping, SoFi not good, plug. It's kind of breaking our support. We might have a weakness here. Yeah, plug kind of have a weakness. Let me just check in the big picture if we got something. Remember guys, we have a power hour today. Power hour. So we got plug, we got unity trade. Yeah, those kind of trade could have worked if we have a bit of bullish market, because the market is a bit red. As we said, the market is taking profit from mini stocks. We could have actually held, but the market is a bit red today. Not for semiconductors, of course, because semiconductors looking good. Nvidia is pulling back a bit. And where's AMD? AMD pulling back a bit. But man, AMD is a swing trade. So we started to reverse from this bottom. So this trade is a swing. I'm gonna hold it overnight because we expect the price to go at least 133 and then break. This will be good. 9%, yeah, because as we said, we have a lot of time consolidating here, so it's time to reverse for AMD. It's time to have a reversal and continuation higher. You see here we have this trend up and down, up and down, up and down, then a huge up because we got great earnings for AMD. See with me, boom, we did almost 60%, and now we have other earnings coming up in just 18 days. And for my opinion, guys, we're gonna have another 30% at least. Before we have 60%, we missing 30% before the earnings, because here we pumped after the earnings. Yeah, so there's two strategy. We gonna have this profit taken before the earnings or after the earnings. Either way, we have to test the 162, which is all-time high for AMD, because Nvidia already did all-time high and beyond. We broke the all-time high after we break the earnings last time on Wednesday in 24th of May, and now we missing AMD break to all-time high. We might have the all-time high for AMD once we have the earnings after 18 days from now. 18 days is mean next month. Yes, next month we might have a continuation. However, in the time being, we have a massive resistance here. If we broke it, game on. 133. 133 to be exact. What's gonna be for AMD? However, the good thing is we broke this massive support, the 117.46. I was waiting for this level to be broken for days, man. 4 days. 117.12, yeah. 117.12. Now 4%, 40. Amazon still pumping. It was really good trade because we're still holding here. Amazon looking good toward the 137. Amazon have earnings coming up in just 13 days. 13 days. Last earning was there. Yeah, we got huge flush down. But yeah, Amazon is really undervalued. We got huge pump down. So we need to have a correction. And correction is coming up. Yeah. Amazon looking good for a swing as well. Yeah, Amazon looking really juicy for a swing. Nikola flash time. You see what's happened here? We exited from Nikola trade once here on the market open. We entered on the breakout around the $2.70. Then we exited here around this candle because we said it's not good. Then the price flush. Now, the idea is to watch for this support. Otherwise, we're gonna have another flush. Simple as that. PFRX. Whoa, PFRX is going to the moon. 178. This is the unicorn for today, not Nikola. Is PFRX. This one is the crazy stock, but I don't suggest anybody buying right now because you see what's happening here. Huge pullback. I don't suggest anybody to trade it. GOEV, look at this. We got rejected right around our resistance 73. We got a question from one of our hunter here. If you just came here, Khalid, shout out to Khalid because he asked about GOEV and he asked about this stock on our YouTube and we didn't see the comment. Sorry for that again. And he said he want to switch to the higher level because right now he's on the hunter level. Let me just check. Yeah, we have Discipline Hunter, King Hunter, Elite Hunter. So he's now on the first level. So he want to upgrade on the Discipline Hunter, I think, or the King, dependent on him. So here is really flexible. You can upgrade, downgrade, whatever you want. Anyway, so he asked about GOEV right around this time, 1612. And guess what? 1612 was here, exactly here, around this candle. So we said here is the resistance, watch out. And once we alerted Khalid, guess what? The price tested our resistance and went down and now tested our support. Hopefully Khalid watching our live streaming right now and took his profit around our level. Now we testing our support. And Khalid, if you listen to me, we're gonna do update later on after we finish our live streaming. On our day trade and swing trade, we're gonna do update for mini stocks, so stay tuned for this. And of course, stay tuned for our special power hour that we're gonna do exceptionally or exclusively here on our Patreon. I don't know if we got a new hunter right now. I think we got a new hunter. Anyway, let me just check. So, as we said, we have just one place left for the discipline hunter. You can actually snatch your place here. And let me just put our hunter channel in the chat section to make it easier for the people who never join and want this exclusive live streaming today. You can actually get it here. Just follow the link. Anyway. What a crazy stock, man, this one. Nicola going down to our bottom. Watch out, everyone. Nicola is dropping. We took almost 26%. The third trade, the biggest third trade for us. Good hunt. We held it from yesterday. We entered around the $2 because we said Nicola is about to break. Hopefully you saw our chart analysis update for Nicola yesterday. And we did it just around the 17:37 after we finished our live streaming, 13th of July. And we discussed this breakout, the $2.02. We entered around the $2.04 and we took profit exactly around the $2.80 before the sell-off, I think, around the $2.70. And the price went down from there. That's why we suggest to take profit. First time when I saw this wick, let me just go on 5 minutes. Yes, when I saw this wick, I exited, okay? It was a warning sign for me. Then we have this fake out. I was kind of confused after this huge wick. I was confused why the price went up. And the confirmation was when we have the breakout and price didn't hold. I didn't feel right. I sold before this sellout. So hopefully you saw this price action and closed the trade with me because it was really risky. That's why we entered with smaller position here. We exited with smaller loss and the price got shorted. Always protect yourself, guys. Always protect yourself. Don't be greedy. Take profit and exit to enter and discounted price. Luis, profit is profit. Don't think about it, brother. You're learning, brother. You're learning. You're getting good. You're getting good. Golden face. If there's a chance for Nicola to reverse, is this place. If we hold the $2.25, we're gonna have at least here the $2.58 and the $2.64 at least. So now we have a bit of reversal. So we'll see if Nicola hold over this support. So watch out. We have that level. So yeah, this is the support that we should hold. Otherwise, a flush. Guys, press the like button and the way in. Come on, we almost 100 like. If you don't like our live streaming, dislike it. Comment, do whatever. Tell me why you like or why you don't like our live streaming, so to improve. This is the only way Even in trading, you have to ask why, how, and what should I do in order to improve things, in order to ask the hard question, in order to get the answers. If you never ask question why I lost money here or why this happened, you never improve. It's really hard to ask those questions. That's why nobody asks them in first place, because you get hurt and you try to distract yourself by watching a movie or whatever, or smoke a joint to forget about what happened today. But no, you have to sit and discuss closely what's going on, why I took the trade, why I revenge trade, why I added here, why I didn't add more there. Ask the hard question. This is the only way to grow, man. And I say this, and it's kind of it's counterintuitive, because I sometimes I do the opposite, even though I know it's wrong. I try to distract myself and try to stop trading. I still can't catch myself and ask myself, why are you doing this, man? You try to tell people to control their emotion and things like this, and you do the opposite. It's kind of funny, like I'm talking to myself and catch myself getting butt hurt, It's like, come on, just move on, man. Come on, you lost here, okay, why you lost? It's just talk to myself like a little baby, That's why I don't have a dog or a cat, because I treat myself like a dog. It's kind of crazy, because I feel like a little baby every time I do the same mistake, or I do some mistakes. I correct myself, I try to improve myself. So yeah, I treat myself like a puppy or something like this. And this is a good way to think about yourself, because this makes you have a room to grow and never cut up in the ego part that you're doing something good or you're good at something. You always put yourself down, like you're still not good. You have to improve. IDX bottom. How is Shamaya though? Yeah, Burnt Monster. And for me as well, I don't smoke. Whatever your clutch or your thing, everybody have a thing. Some people like to eat chocolate, or I don't know, like comfort food. So there's always an escape mechanism, Some people don't smoke, they do something else, They eat chocolate. Some people don't like chocolate, they eat honey. So there's always something, You should know yourself. What's your escape? Great question. What a broker I'm use? So it depends on you, brother. If you are in the United States, you can use Momo, because you can have 15 free stocks. Okay. And if you are in Europe, you can actually go to trading 212. So depending on you, brother, depending on where you live. If you're in Europe, trading 212. If you're America, United States, Momo. Again, guys, we almost 100 likes. Come on. 86. 86. Okay, Nicola is testing the bottom support. If we don't hold a flush down, watch out. Nicola, maybe we're gonna have a flush if we don't hold the $2.25. BFRX getting shorted. Lucid, BDRX. BDRX. We got 15 minutes. Man, John, what's up with you and low volume stocks, man? Those stocks I can't trade. Those stocks you just have. Those stocks you have to have inside news to trade them. You see, the price is been dead here. Insiders bought here, and the price bump. and once you buy, the price pulled back on you. So this is kind of tricky. You could actually get lucky sometimes and you buy and the price continue to go higher, but you see what's happened here, there is a huge resistance, man. That's why we have a huge wick. Every time we try to break the 8, we meet with the resistance. So this one I don't suggest to enter. It's kind of gambling. It's kind of a gambling, because if we gonna hold, we have to have a support almost 35% down. So this is crazy, man. This is crazy to enter on this one. NKLA testing the support, and now if we break the $2.25, we're gonna have a flash down. Watch out toward the $1.94. This is really risky, guys. Really risky. Now it's holding. Yeah, we have a kind of reversal here, but I don't suggest to enter. I don't suggest to enter because we might have a flush here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna lower the resistance here. You see, guys, always adjusting the levels. Every few minutes we adjust the levels. That's why we do update here for NKLA, for mini stocks, to be ready to exit or take profit. That's why we always update, and the chart analysis update is faster and better than videos. That's why we did our hunter channel here on Discord. We've been asked a lot from our hunters to open Discord channel. The beginning when we actually start our YouTube channel over 2 years ago, because chart analysis update is fast and quick, and it's better than video, because if I were gonna upload the video, it will take me at least 30 minutes and 1 hour to upload, and YouTube especially, like there's a verification process, and this will take a bit of time for the video will be uploaded, and you're gonna miss the pump or the trade, because 1 hour is too much. So yeah, we're gonna do update for NKLA later on. NKLA is flashing down. It's game over, guys. Here, game over. John, you are welcome. Moat Hero, great question. You can actually get those free stocks even without depositing any money. You just open an account, and let me just check for you here, guys. Let me just show you. So you don't need any money to get them, those stocks. So it's better to deposit 100. So even if you deposit nothing, you get just 1 stock. But from my opinion, 5 free stocks is better. So you deposit just $100. And this offer we have will end around the 16th of this month. Yeah. After 2 days. Let me just show you, guys. Here, if you go on the Momo, you have 15 free stocks. However, we have a special promotion actually for our hunter here. This is the normal promotion. Let me just, no way. What's going on here? Yeah, here. So yeah, okay. So as we said, $100 you have to deposit in order to get those free stocks. Anyway, NKLA getting shorted big time, man. NKLA getting shorted. Let me just check. Nvidia is pulling back. AMD is pulling back. Okay, no worries. We have a pullback for the market. This is normal. Plug broke the support, so it's not good to hold. We have just 10 minutes left, or 9 minutes, before we close out. Because yeah. Anyway, so Nikola got shorted big time. And I think Nikola dragged all the stock down with it. Yeah, Nikola dragged everything down. Anyway, so yeah, we have a huge red day for Nikola. That's why we exited with a good profit. Hopefully everybody took their profit for Nikola. Okay, now we have to focus on one thing, guys. We got 11 likes missing. And now, as a detective, I have to say why. Because we have 113 people watching and just 89 likes. If we do the math here, there's few people, either they forget to like or they don't have any YouTube account, or they just spirits, or kind of they don't have body to press the like button. So there's three options. Hopefully there's no spirit watching our live streaming, you know, this is really spooky. I don't know if anybody here believe in spirit or ghosts. Some people say you are crazy because you believe in ghosts, but if I ask them about UFOs, they will say, yeah, I believe in UFOs. But both of them are really crazy on the eye of the scientist, you know, because scientists always need a proof. And for UFOs, everybody say, I saw something, but there's no proof. There's no physical proof. There's just a scene, you know. So yeah, there's no crazy thing. So it depends on the person. Exactly, NPC, yeah. Non-identified. I think NPCs stand for non-personal character or unidentified personal character. I think, yeah, NPC. We see those character in the video games, yeah. I think this is a stand for a mini RPG games. Non-player character. Oh man. Nikola, oh man, is pumping once again. So for Nikola, there's a reverse squeeze will happen right now. Yes, maybe I will put a support there. Yeah, over the $2. Yeah, the bottom is $2 actually, $2.09. So yeah, the $2.09 confirmed hidden buyer. So this is it. We'll see if we get a good buyer or not. Because if we get rejected here, is not a hold, man. It's mean a huge sell-off down. So this is the support to confirm that we have a hidden seller or hidden buyer. Otherwise, we're gonna have a flush down again. So this is a turning point right now for Nikola. PFRX. Yeah, this one is tricky. Is we have mini hold, high risk, high reward. If we entered here, we might do 40% and we might lose 13%. This is the odd for you of winning or losing. Sandray, thank you for being here and spending your time, your Friday with us. Really appreciate it, brother. Because, man, now I see that you can be anywhere. Imagine, you can be anywhere in the world. And you choose to be with us here. So I feel like really humble for our hunters and our viewers that watch our live streaming. And yeah, I feel really kind of humble and at the same time grateful for you guys to watch our live streaming and being here. Yeah, we see Nikola is down, but now is started to reverse. We'll see what's gonna happen to Nikola. What a huge selling pressure for this one. Got shorted big time before the earnings. Okay, let me just put that there and watch Nikola. Yusuf, hey brother, long time no see. Hope everything is good, the family is good. Okay, so maybe I will ask randomly right now, what's the best thing to do in the weekend? So some of you can give me some suggestion, and I'm trying to do something outside the box. So maybe we got some idea here about things that you already do in the weekend, and maybe I will try. Because if you try to think by yourself, you can't think outside the box. The only way to think outside the box is asking other people, and give the idea of doing something different and new. So let's see who actually creative enough to give us some adventurous weekend. And yeah, maybe you say depending on where you live. But there's some basic things that never change even with place is activities, Eating, you can eat everywhere in the world. So you got my idea. Yeah, I never tried fishing before. It will be really hard because, as I said, I'm kind of active person. I can't stand in one place for so long. But this is kind of a good way to teach me to be patient. And not even just patient, because in trading, there's excitement, but fishing is kind of meditation. There's nothing. You and the fish. But it's a good idea. Try to get inside the box. You're already inside the box. You don't have to try to get inside the box. Mike. He has the way. That's why his name Mike on the way. He knows the way. Nice, man. Marco. We'll check IDX for you, brother, of course. Yes and no, John Friedman. As we said, patience in the market when you're trading is different because in the market there's excitement. Yeah, you have to be patient, of course, but there's excitement. You can check, you look for stocks and news, some things. There's movement. But for fishing, there's nothing, man. You do nothing. Just wait for the fish to be hooked. But this is a good way to meditate and relax, doing nothing. Destiny, I'm really sorry to hear that. Hopefully he will rest in peace, whatever he is. Yeah, is even going to funeral is kind of a good way to have a reality check, and see the really little things or the really important things in life, you know, like family, friends, things to love, things to do something that you really love, you know. It's don't just focus on money and superficial things, you know. I'm not saying money is for superficial, but you get my idea. AAJ, I think so. AAJ, you can try it out, and it's really easy to open an account really fast, you know. The link is here if you want to go directly there. Nice, yeah, Nicola started reverse. Let me just check IDX for my new hunter, which he is, let me just, Marco Mireless. I think he's a new hunter here because he has a green star. You can see it here, guys. We have a green star for this hunter. So we're gonna check his IDX, and this is really easy to know who's our supporter here or not, because you see here Joseph is have a blue star. It means he's been over 2 months or 3 months on supporting us on YouTube membership. And here Marco has almost not green, but yeah, so he's a new hunter. So we'll watch IDX right now to see what's going on. IDX. We have a support, Marcos, around the 8 cent. Resistance is still around the 10.90 or around the 11 cents. So put alert around the 11 cent, because if we broke it next time, just let me know, because this will be a nice hunt for IDX to go toward the 14 cents. So yeah, we have a huge range. The price has been accumulating. Tried to break, we didn't, back in 13th of July. So yeah, watch out for this. Again, guys, we're gonna do a power hour for today and chart analysis update later on. If we have like a change in a trend for some stock or breakout, we're gonna do a day trade or swing trade, whatever, on our Discord and our Patreon. And of course, as we said, we have just one place left for our level and discipline hunter. So snatch and hunt this place out before it disappears. After that, we have the king and the elite, and of course those level if you want one-on-one meeting with me. And of course, if you have more requested stock, you want to request from me, because the other level you have just one stock, and here 3 stocks before the market open. And if you want more in-depth analysis and live alerts, and of course 2 meeting in a month, you can choose the elite, because this will be really good for you. And of course live alert after we finish our live streaming. What does mean live alert? Is mean you send me a message directly asking me about stocks, where the entry, where the exit, update for levels. So this is the only level that I will be available to answer your question after we finish our live streaming. So now we're gonna do live streaming. We're gonna put the live alert or the link for our power hour live streaming like we did last time here before the stream, before 5 minutes or a few minutes. We're gonna do the alert, and we're gonna discuss the market, Q&A, everything. And so see you there, guys. If you're already hunter with us, you can actually watch us. If you're not hunter with us yet, you can actually join us. And yeah, the link is already there in the chat section. Perfect. Great day, Dave. See you guys later on. Thank you for watching. DMAQ, man, you're a bit late, Charles, but I will check your question right now. because I will never forget one of our hunter question, our elite hunter actually. What's the name, man? DMAQ. Yeah. Okay, this one not good for a trade, brother. Don't bother buying this one. Look at this, pump and dump, simple. So not suggest anybody buying this one. If you want to risk it, of course, if you like to risk this one, just watch out here. Maybe here, yeah, around the 14 for another kick, and take profit really fast around the 19 before the 20. So yeah, this one is really risky, but yeah, if you want to risk, you have the resistant breakout here around the 14.45. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next update. And NKLA testing our resistance and get rejected once again. We're gonna do update later on our Discord channel. So thank you for watching, and see you in our live power hour today before the market close.